Hey guys, we are here at ABQ Heatlh Partners today, home of Total Care, and we're finding more information out about how they are keeping New Mexico healthy. Come on. Hey guys, we are here with Dr. Robert White with the ABQ Heatlh Partners. And doctor, today we're specifically talking about preventative care and wellness for our senior citizens. Is that right?
That's right.
Okay.
Sure.
So let's talk about some of the most common health concerns that seniors have and they present here at ABQ Heatlh Partners with.
So typically as people age, they develop more health problems. So they have the problems that give them complaints. You know, my knee hurts, or my back is a problem, or I have trouble breathing. And we, every physician, we certainly address those kind of problems. But an area where ABQ Heatlh Partners really has invested a lot of energy is trying to say, okay, what about the problems that patients don't complain about that can actually be big causes of problems for them in the future? Mm-hmm. And that's where prevention really comes in. Mm-hmm. It's things like, heart disease, strokes, cancer, diabetes, those are the big ones. Mm-hmm. And so we want to try to intervene early and have patients and us take care of those problems before they become really serious.
Right. So what would you recommend that some of our seniors, and really, I mean, just anyone in general, can do to maintain their health to prevent some of these problems? Right.
So Chad, the easiest thing to do for all of us is don't smoke, because that's the worst thing of all. Eat healthy, exercise regularly. Even people who are disabled in wheelchairs can have an exercise program. Mm-hmm. Those are the things that people can do pretty much on their own, and we can help with that. But then the next step is what are the things that they really depend on us for.
Right. And you do also a lot of screenings. You can take care of our seniors in that way. So aside from screenings, what are some of the other things that seniors can do to safeguard their health?
Well, in terms of, you mean besides screening for diseases like colon cancer and breast cancer, that sort of thing? Well, the most important thing is when we identify problems, let's say somebody has high blood pressure or diabetes, then they really need to work with us to diligently take their medications in a way that's going to prevent the problems. Because a lot of the reason we have patients take medications for diabetes or high blood pressure is not because it's going to make them feel better right now, but it's going to prevent a problem 5 years from now or 10 years from now that would be really devastating for them. Okay. So that's really part of prevention too, is treating those problems to prevent bigger problems.
Before they grow into larger issues. Okay. Well, now, of course, it is flu season. We're moving into the flu season. We all talk about the fact that, get a flu shot, get a flu shot. Why is it so important for seniors to get that vaccination?
Well, let me mention a couple of things. If you look at all the things that humans have come up with to make health better, there's nothing that comes close to being as powerful and beneficial as vaccines. And then if you look at all the vaccine preventable illnesses, there's hardly anything in the world that has been worse for humankind over the last couple of thousand years than influenza. So getting flu shots is the most important thing. The reason we stress that so much in people as they get older is the immune system starts to not behave quite as robustly. And so the flu shots are really important as our immune system becomes less capable of handling everything on its own.
So where can our seniors and other folks, if they want to get that vaccination with ABQ Heatlh Partners, what locations can they go to get that done?
Every location.
Every location?
Yeah, does vaccinations. Obviously, we would like people to go to their primary care provider because they're the people geared up to do this on a regular basis. So we are actually sending out telephone calls to many of our patients right now to remind them to get vaccinations. Patients can get flu shots at pharmacies as well. We just want to know when they get a flu shot there that they let us know so that we can update our record. One of the things we're really proud of at ABQ Heatlh Partners is that we create in our electronic health record an inventory of all the prevention things, not just flu shots, but cancer screening, immunizations for kids, all these things. And so every time a patient comes in, we can see what they need. We can make sure that's accurate if patients let us know about those things, like if they go to a pharmacy and get an immunization. We want to know.
So for more information on ABQ Heatlh Partners, head over to CASA.com and click on the Style tab.